If you're suffering with psoriasis or seen anybody else going through it, then you know it is a tough disease to get relief from. Psoriasis is one of those few diseases which seem to completely go away for a period of time, but always comes back again and again, making the person to feel frustrated, depressed, and also feel as if there is no cure for it at all. Because of how it looks, and also because of the severe itching, swelling, and redness, there have been many instances where patients of psoriasis lose their job or find it difficult to find a new job, or sadly, even their own friends and family avoid being near them because of fear of being infected. Because of all this, it can be safely said that psoriasis affects not just the skin of the person, but the quality of his life itself. Namaste, I'm Dr. Tejaswini and welcome to Best of Homeopathy. In this video, let us talk about a disease that does not actually spread from one person to another, that is psoriasis. Let us also understand how psoriasis develops, what causes psoriasis, what are the measures to reduce psoriasis, a good diet plan, and also homeopathic remedies that can effectively treat psoriasis. The topmost layer of the skin is called as the epidermis, and it has many layers of cells in it. Every day, a new layer of cells are added to the bottom and older cells move up and are eventually shed off. Normally, the time taken for the new cells in the bottom to reach the top and be shed off is 4 weeks or a month. But in psoriasis, this process speeds up a lot. So, a lot of new cells are formed which rapidly move up and pile on top of each other by 5 to 7 days. As the top layers are not shed off, it makes the skin to become thick, dry, and itchy. Psoriasis initially presents itself in very mild form, like a simple dry skin over the elbows and knees, or dandruff over the scalp that does not go away even after changing many shampoos or taking various medicines. However, as the disease becomes more and more severe, it causes itchy, dry, swollen, and red patches of skin over the back, elbows, knees, scalp, and any part of the body, including the nails. Now, what causes psoriasis? Psoriasis is an autoimmune disease, where auto means self or own, and immune refers to our body's immune system or defense system. In this disease, the immune cells, which are actually supposed to capture and destroy bacteria or other harmful germs, mistakenly targets body's own cells and destroys them just like it destroys the bacteria. Because of this attack, in psoriasis, the skin becomes red and swollen. Now, what is clearly understood about psoriasis is that it is a genetic or hereditary disease. In simple terms, it means that it can be passed from generation to generation in a family. So, if you are a person who are having this genetic tendency, then there are certain triggers which can bring on an attack of psoriasis. These triggers include mainly stress, fall or trauma, cold weather, certain painkillers, any infections, smoking or consuming alcohol, and also having an unhealthy diet and routine. So what are some of the measures you can follow to control psoriasis? By now, I'm sure that you have understood that psoriasis is not just a skin disease. It is a deeper affection which has to be treated not just on the outside but also from within. For treating on the outside, you can opt for a good moisturizer or Vaseline or glycerin or even just coconut oil depending on what suits your skin. Now, according to the moisturizing agent you have chosen, it is important to apply it on a damp skin after taking a bath so that the skin can absorb it better. After this, getting a good sun exposure in the morning for about 10 to 15 minutes can also be beneficial. Also, very importantly, you have to avoid very hot showers, scrubbing your skin, or even combing out the scales. All these can provide you with a temporary relief or satisfaction from the severe itching, but it can definitely lead to very serious infections. Now, coming to the diet plan, foods which you need to include in your diet are those which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids like fish and fish oil, antioxidant-rich foods like fresh fruits and vegetables, healthy vegetable oils including peanut oil, olive oil, and flaxseed oil. All these foods reduces inflammation and therefore brings down the swelling, redness, and itching of psoriasis. Now, the foods which you need to completely cut off from your diet includes red meat, dairy product, shell-containing seafood, citrus fruits, processed food, and of course, cigarettes and alcohol. So in short, following a rather simple routine of moisturizing your skin, getting a good 10 to 15 minutes of early morning sun exposure, avoiding any harsh treatment to the skin, and following a good diet plan can help you in handling psoriasis. Homeopathy is definitely one of the best treatment options for psoriasis, as it is not just a genetic disease but also an autoimmune disease. Homeopathic remedies can break this cycle of psoriasis and give you a gentle and permanent relief. In this video, I will be just mentioning the names of the remedies which are used in treating psoriasis. This is done keeping in mind that a final and permanent solution to this problem can only be provided by a qualified doctor after understanding you as a person, including your stress factors, emotional state, and other triggers. So do consult a qualified homeopathic physician if you're looking for a permanent solution to psoriasis through homeopathy. Some of the common remedies which are used include arsenicum album, arsenicum iodatum, sulfur, petroleum, graphitis, mercurius solubilis, kali ars, and sorina. If you found this video helpful, do share it among your family and friends. Subscribe to this channel for more such informative content. Stay healthy. Thank you.